You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this plant and flower, as well as how to say more confusing vocabulary that many mispronounce or pronounce differently. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel. In British English it is said as hibiscus, stress on the second syllable. Hibiscus in American English, hibiscus, hibiscus or hibiscus are both correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Like this video if you found this useful. Thanks for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.